Hey, what's up, guys? It's Rico here, CEO of SoureFindAsia, host of the main channel podcast, and the host of the SoureFindAsia YouTube channel. Of course, back with another one. Today, I just wanted to let you guys know that we're looking for a sales intern. It would be a commission-based job. We are looking for people from any walk of life, doesn't matter what country you live in. We are a manufacturing consulting company that's expanding, and we're trying to expand our sales team, and we want everybody to benefit from that. So if you're in Asia, that would be fantastic because of time zones and things like that. But if you want to apply, the link should be in the description below, and then check out the rest of the video and you'll see some of the cool stuff that we've done, some of the products that we've made, and you get to work with a fun team. We are just trying to hustle and make things happen. So cheers.